Set up 9-9 pass and everything was to make a step on them ends figure fire wing. Silence creep up, not even drop a pin. People lost.
Welcome back to JDZmedia channel. Creambot in the building, guys. Today I react to Wrigz, Road Rage. Somebody requested and said I'm gonna check it out for them. And I don't know anytime I request something, I'm gonna check it out when I have time. Cause my time very limited sometimes, guys. When I send the video, I have so much thing I do, but I want to make sure to push out the video them phone because you know watch my video them, I like them, I share them, and I comment them. I respect them. And even though sometimes I'm tired, I still try to find a way to do the video them phone, you see me, and put them out. You know what I mean? But I react to this and see what I go and feed. So like, share, comment, and subscribe. What on it? Wrigz, Road Rage. So like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Click that bell to end up posting get the video. See me? Don't know the thing set already, so begin right now. Go,
JDZmedia.
JDZmedia.
It's Wrigz.
Wrigz.
Road Rage.
We
got JDZmedia. Some real money shit.
That was very money shit.
Lyrics.
Yeah man, let me see where you are, bruh.
Incredible, everything credible. All of these spitters are edible. Soldiers shouldn't try and mirror the general. Generate power whenever like this the schedule. Man start moving wicked and terrible. Got techers for when it gets technical. They're trying to kill us with chemicals. Stick to the fruits and mix them with vegetables. Here you.
Alright. The brother look like him and start fix some facts. The first thing the man say, and then for the smart and wise, they must know what I'm talking about. Them eat us with chemicals. Because they want to get sick, basically. Meaning, they are mass-produced food, GMO food, GMO fruits, big old apple, big old carrot, big old all of this, GMO, genetically modified foods. And what them think they lead to? Cancer, sugar, heart disease, all them something there. So basically, what that much I say, you see me?
Advice, but it's tricky, I'm skeptical. Do or die to be risky is sensible. I'm in the hood in survival modes. I see all these artists killing the festivals. Still I'm humble and I'm hungry in a concrete jungle with animals amongst me. By now it's nothing to me and I know.
Concrete jungle mean like in the city, cause concrete jungle what them call cities, you see me? Animal basically are people, cause people move so savage and crazy. They call them basically animal too. Call them basically animal too, you see me?
That the lion don't worry about shit. Immaculate, everything accurate. Come like a backer, we mastered it. Sound like activists, proud and black when they tortured our people badly. We're still here after it. We didn't ask for it. We was born trapped in it.
Yeah.
Special energy, they captured us but didn't capture it. Shit. Revolutionary raps, I'm like pack with it. Tactical like Castro, plan for it. We'll call them, don't answer it. Yeah, stay in control for the moment, stay low. When we say so, it'll happen, just wait though. Mentally, many steps ahead of the game, bro. Trust me, sharp again, I was rusty. Resilient, everything militant, carefully calculated, and it's killing them. Maxing out, can't accept them in a...
I can't speak, I can't relate to that brother. The man say everything him calculate to the maximum, you see me? Because no people don't realize about me. You see me that person, I think 3-4 steps ahead. You see me? I always stay that way. Like, I always pretty, or not the pretty, I always think 3 steps ahead. Like, I always think say this can go so and this can go so. In case it goes so, I always the right. So if it not go that way, it can go that way. So basically, I always the right, you see me? And it's good for always think that way because they keep your mind in check, you see me? And keep your mind focused. The brother I think like a conscious person. If that fits with some Rasta man, you see me?
Fuck your views even if you got 1 million. Inconsiderate, don't consider them. They ain't ready for the flows I'm giving them. Focus on a goal, bro, I envision them. I'm a dreamer that's known for living them. Lyrically show my brilliance. How can they say it has no significance? I can smell fear in my foes. I'm sniffing the game up close. No one's innocent. I can tell that they know I finish them. Look close and you'll know them mirroring. I can tell that they know I finish them. Look close and you'll know them. Look, killer instinct when I touch this mic. Why the fuck would you think I give up this life? Not a spitter inside that could touch this vibe. You know what I'm like, but you grudge your side. Got stamina to last me forever, I'm nice, get your energies right. I'm ready this time, last time I tried, I was ahead of my time. Quick wink, I'm in sync, it's better this time. My credibility's nice, I make the call quickly and get it in line. Wanna see everybody eat together and shine. Do it right now, brother, never mind next time. Exciting times, never doubted less. From I found we're blessed, I don't want countless debts and bouncing checks. I'm a man like you, it's about respect. Killer instinct when I touch this stage. Why the fuck would they think it was just a phase? When it's tricky, I'm smart, when it's tough, I'm brave. Tore up festivals, fucked up raves. I shared it out when I cut the cake. That's why if it ain't love, you're fake. Don't get confused and trust these snakes. They twist up the backs, I put them straight. Remember.
Show for real, you know. can't trust people too much, bro. You have a certain group of people you trust, yes, but you can't give all your trust to humans overall. Humans, them are like snake, as we say. You see me? Them there for you now and then look after them, turn them back on you, sell you out for a change or for some cheese. Not like rat, you know, like real cheese. But you know, like money may attack. You see me? So that brother, him seem like him would be like a Rasta man out here, like nothing like a Wayne Marshall, you see me? Like he must speak facts on society and all them something there. I'm surprised that the person that brother underrated. Although sometimes when you sing about positivity, people don't want to listen to you. People want to hear about killing and murder and drugs. That people want to hear about, you see me?
It's me, I construct the changes, checks for true, and I look the game. Look the city, I do my best. Sacrifice to do what's best for the bigger picture, and I'm through the test. It's true, I'm blessed. Focus on peace, cause my energy's powerful. I don't wanna make a gruesome mess. Killer instinct when I walk in the office. Caution, still I got them all in my pocket. Gonna keep this raw when I drop it. Trust me, it ain't just talk, I'm a prophet. Taking all this wisdom and knowledge and don't try go off the topic. The man them know I'm the realest, and as for the girl, them sure will lock it. Yeah, it's nothing in mind on a profit. Now they ain't stopping me, try but they flopped it. Level to this shit, young boy, watch it. You can get employed by the man, them boss shit. Only a faker will tell you I lost it. I'm warming up again, G ain't you clocked it. Games like my hair, I locked it. Not the loudest, but the proudest. Took many yells out there, still doubtless. We've been around and they've been around us. Love all the hype, of course, for the founders. Sitting in silence, bunning the loudest. The game stressed us thinking about it, but I couldn't live without it. Difference between me and them, I never doubt it. Them a pussy in a Batman outfit.
Oh boy, when they're pussy in a bad man outfit, you know what I mean? You know, I can have some gangster, them act like them tough and everything, you see me? And when it come to the real test, them are the biggest chicken, biggest coward. You see me? Our pussy can mean two things. Like, I mean like them are sell out or them are coward. Basically chicken, you see me?
Master my crap, I can actually show that. With today's shit, I'm with a throwback. Hold that, it's cold that, reload that. Know that, had no doubt when I wrote that. Bringing the flow back, king in his thing and they know that. I told man, real money shit. Manchester stand up, it's a new day, we got the youths. Practice makes perfect, patience is key. It's Wrigz.
Wrigz. Yo, big up yourself, Wrigz. I don't know what I say, probably I have to call him a thing about so much conscious music, you see me? But I bet I want him sing about basically conscious things to me, you see me? I sing about life, what the government I do for fuck up people, GMO foods, chemical, you see me? People selling out, dissing friends, you see me? All them things the man I speak about, bro, the man I speak facts, you see me? So, big up to yourself, Wrigz. Don't know. Love coming from Jamaica, you see me? Straight out. Don't know. Guys, like, share, comment, and subscribe. You see me? Click that bell. Anytime I post, you get the video. You see me? So peace out. Anywhere word on the day. You see me? I enjoy the Easter. Cause Easter now, you know. America, this is not Easter time. You see me? We don't know when to go, but I say it. You see me?